Good morning, students. Today's topic is cell membrane. Let's learn about cell membrane. Myself, Dr. Sabia Khan, Associate Professor, Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, Government College, Ajmer. So, dear students, beginning with the cell membrane. What is a cell membrane? That the cells, they have a covering, and that covering is called as the cell membrane. We can call it as a plasma membrane. And the general function that it controls the entry and exit of substances within the cell. Means when cell it is covered by a membrane, so only certain substances can enter it and certain substances can come out from the cell. So it is maintaining the internal balance, that is called as homeostasis. Homeostasis means जो कुछ सब्सटेंसेस है उनको अंदर जाने देगा एंड कुछ जो सब्सटेंसेस है उनको बाहर आने देगा ताकि इंटरनल बैलेंस हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज होम्योस्टेसिस. And here you can see very well in the diagram of a cell membrane through transmission electron microscope. The white square you see, it is the cell membrane. Another function, it provides protection and support the cell. So this is the function. Now describe the structure of the cell membrane. This question is asked. So if we see the structure of a cell membrane here, then you can see that it is a lipid bilayer. Two layers of phospholipids. Two layers you can see of phospholipids. This yellow you can see, and it consists of the proteins. Now the phospholipid layer, it is a lipid bilayer and it has two ends, the head end and the tail end. Head end and the tail end. You can see in the diagram, the head end, it is polar, that is hydrophilic, that means water loving. And the tail end is hydrophobic, means it is water fearing, so it will avoid the water. And in between pink you can see these are the proteins which are embedded in the membrane. pink है proteins से embedded है lipid bilayer के अंदर. Now this is a very beautiful diagram of phospholipid. Double layer of phospholipids you can see, and that the ground structure, that is the polar region, the red one, and it is means water loving, that is it is hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means water loving. So here you can see the how the phospholipid layers are there. Double layer दिख रहे हैं and they are having the polar end and the tail end. Now in the another diagram, it's very clear. If you see the fluid mosaic model, that if we called it as a plasma membrane also, and here you can see the lipid bilayer, that of phospholipids, the polar head region, upper region, and the non-polar region, the tail region you can see, and in between the protein is embedded. Here you in the diagram also you can see very well, pink color ke these are the proteins and the blue is they are the carbohydrate marker. So this is a wonderful diagram of a cell membrane. Two layers phospholipids, the round structure, it is a polar, and then you can see the proteins they are embedded and the carbohydrate markers are there in the diagram. This is a beautiful diagram of fluid mosaic model. What is the other name for the cell membrane? We called it fluid mosaic model. This question is asked, and one line question. What is the other name for the cell membrane? It is a fluid mosaic model. And here you can see in the diagram, wonderful, two layers of the lipid, proteins are embedded, then the hydrophilic end and the hydrophobic end. And the here this is hold is a phospholipid layer. Now the cell membranes, they have pores also. Why they have pores? So they are selectively permeable. As I told you before that they allow certain molecules to enter and certain molecules to come out. कुछ को अंदर जाने देंगे, कुछ को बाहर आने देंगे. So they are selectively permeable, and here you can see in the diagram. So why this is selectively permeable? So that harmful substances, they do not enter the cell, and useful substance, excess of useful substances, they don't come out of the cell. So the internal balance is maintained. If you see the structure of the cell membrane, here this is again very well seen. ये बाहर outside of the cell or inside of the cell. अगर सेल मेम्ब्रेन का स्ट्रक्चर हम वी आर लुकिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, बाहर से देख रहे हैं और अंदर से भी देख रहे हैं, तो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड देन व्हाट यू विल सी दीज लिपिड लेयर्स, है ना. एंड इफ़ यू सी इनसाइड साइटोप्लाज्म देन यू विल सी द प्रोटीन्स एंड द कार्बोहाइड्रेट मार्कर्स. ब्लू कलर्स के हैं दैट आर द कार्बोहाइड्रेट मार्कर्स, और पिंक है एम्बेडेड प्रोटीन, और ये येलो कलर के हैं दीज आर लिपिड बाइलेयर ऑफ फॉस्फोलिपिड्स. This is a, so if we see the cell membrane, now summarizing it, what is cell membrane composed of? It is a किसका है? It is a mixture of proteins and lipid. Second, it allows certain substances to enter in and certain substances to come out. That means it is selectively permeable. What is the percentage of lipid? कितना है? 20 to 80% of the membrane is lipid, while the remaining is protein. So what is the composition? 20 to 80% is lipid and the remaining is protein. The lipids, what they give? अब fat हम जैसे लेते हैं, fat, when we are taking fat, then it is providing flexibility. And what are the proteins? They are monitoring the chemical nature. The proteins है, they are monitoring the chemical nature, and lipids, they are flexible. That's why we say the membrane, it is elastic, it is flexible. So due to these components also, chemical nature, and it also help in the transfer of molecules across the membrane. Here you can see in the diagram the pink proteins are embedded. तो इससे क्या transfer कुछ molecules का they allow. The cell membrane, it is multifaceted membrane, that is, it envelopes a cell cytoplasm and supporting the cell and help to maintain the cell shape. अब natural है membrane. You can imagine the structure of a cell membrane of a balloon which is filled with water. Balloon है, उसके अंदर हमने water fill कर दिया, तो क्या balloon को एक shape दे दिया, और क्या होगा कि उस जो membrane है water, it is protected. So until and unless that balloon is bursting. So this is the how you can identify the structure of the cell membrane. The proteins, they are the major component of the cell membrane. Why? Because the exact mix ratio of proteins and the lipids, they depend upon the specific function of the cell. हर means every cell it has a specific function. हर cell specific है, तो protein और lipid का ratio भी according to the cell होगा. The phospholipids, they are important component of the cell membrane and they spontaneously arranged to form a lipid bilayer. तो phospholipids क्या बनाते हैं? Lipid bilayer. This is semi-permeable, that it allows certain substances to diffuse through the membrane. And similar to the cell membrane, some cell organelles, they are also surrounded by membrane. Example, the nucleus and the mitochondria. What is the another function of membrane? Is to regulate cell growth through the balance of endocytosis and exocytosis. This is very important and we are going to study in a next topic, that is the cell transport. So today I have explained you about cell, the cell membrane, the composition of the cell membrane and what are their function. Hope you have understood, because they are helping in growth also, and in the next chapter we are going to study about the transport in the cell. Okay, till then, goodbye and thank you.